Hello everybody and welcome to Arabic with Amina. Today we are going to be learning the days of the week, which in Arabic is أيام الأسبوع. أيام الأسبوع. But before we get into the days of the week, there are a few words that you need to know. Yom means day. The plural form, days, is أيام. And today is al-yom. So, al-yom, today. Yom, day. Ayyam, days. So, today is al-yom. Yesterday is ams. And tomorrow is غدا. اليوم, أمس, غدا. So now that we've covered the vocabulary, let's get on to the days of the week. First off, al-Ahad, which means Sunday. Al-Ahad is derived from the number 1, which in Arabic is واحد. al-ithnayn, Monday. If you recall the Arabic numbers, 2 is اثنين, and Monday is al-ithnayn. Second day of the week, you can consider it. ath-thulatha, Tuesday. Again, this is also derived from a number. This one is from 3, ثلاثة. Tuesday is ath-thulatha. al-arbi'a, Wednesday. Since this is the 4th day, it's derived from the number 4, arbi'a. al-khamees, Thursday, 5th day of the week, derived from the number 5, khamsa. al-khamees, khamsa. al-jumu'ah, Friday. This day of the week isn't derived from the number 6, as you might have expected. Instead, the word Jum'ah is derived from the word Jama'a, which means to gather. And it is on Friday that Muslims gather together in the mosque to pray the Friday prayer, similar to how Christians gather on Sunday. In the Middle Eastern countries, the weekend is either Thursday and Friday, or Friday and Saturday. So Friday is a very important day of the week. Last up, as-sabt, Saturday. Now this is similar to the Hebrew word for Saturday, which is Sabbath. as-sabt. So let's go through the days of the week another time, starting from Sunday. al-Ahad, al-ithnayn, ath-thulatha, الأربعاء, al-khamees, الجمعة, as-sabt. These are the days of the week in Arabic. Now don't just leave yet. I want to show you how to say the days of the week in sentences. When we say a weekday in Arabic, it's preceded by the word yom, which means day. So for example, if I want to say today is Tuesday, I am saying al-yom, yom al-thulatha, which in English would be today is the day of Tuesday. So al-yom, yom al-thulatha. Another example is ألتقي بأصدقائي يوم الجمعة. ألتقي بأصدقائي يوم الجمعة. I meet with my friends on Friday. Notice how before Jum'ah or Friday, we add the word day, which is yom. Yom al-jum'ah. But we don't always have to say the word yom. It can be dropped in some instances. So going back to our original sentence, Today is Tuesday. اليوم يوم الثلاثاء. We can drop the word يوم. Before we drop the word يوم, notice how ath-thulatha is defined with al, which is the in Arabic. When we drop the word يوم, we are also going to drop the al. So, اليوم ثلاثاء. We remove the word يوم and we also remove the al. So, اليوم ثلاثاء. Today is Tuesday. Another example where we don't have the word يوم in the sentence is هناك رحلة كل خميس. There is a trip every Thursday. Or another one would be دعونا نجتمع صباح الثلاثاء, which means let's meet on Tuesday morning. We included al and didn't drop it here because we are defining a specific Tuesday. So we're saying let's meet on Tuesday morning. You know which Tuesday I'm talking about, the upcoming Tuesday. So it's not every Tuesday or some random Tuesday. Al is a definite particle and it defines something. So when we are determining a specific day, we are going to include al. If we were to remove al, the sentence would actually be, let's meet on a Tuesday morning. So I didn't really specify which Tuesday. I'm just saying a Tuesday. You know, it could be next week's Tuesday or next month's Tuesday or any Tuesday in the year. And that's it for our video today. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe for more videos and make sure to like, share, and comment what you thought about the video. Thank you. See you next time. Arabic with Amina.